Good morning, everybody. Off to Lee Honda to get the software update hopefully done on the car. Supposedly they have it, so everything should be all set. We'll find out how long it takes. Appointment is at 8:15. It's now 8:05. Some interesting I've been seeing from people. You know, people been talking about, oh, there's another recall on the Honda. I mean, what is that? 2 recalls total on the Honda Insight. Not all of them, neither of them are specific to this particular car. This just happens to be one of the cars that's on the list. First recall had to do with the fuel pump issue, something about a bad part in the impellers in some of the fuel pumps. Yeah, I'm exhausted. I hate sleep. You know, just some cheap manufacturer decided to put shitty plastic for the impellers inside the car, fuel pump, and some cars, well, a fair amount of cars were in a list of cars that had to be fixed, including this particular one. And I mean, I guess it could happen to anybody. That's a serious recall. And this one is also a serious recall, but the way people are acting, I mean, they're acting like, oh my God, it's another gigantic recall. Oh, it's terrible. Well, some people are acting like it. I guess as far as recalls go, while this one's serious, it's only serious because it involves a lot of safety issues. And the only reason it involves a lot of safety issues is because we're dealing with a bunch of freaking software. And since everything is run on freaking software on these cars nowadays, you know, this particular recall, you know, they have to do it as a recall if there's so many cars involved and it's a safety issue. You know, I'm half asleep. I shouldn't even bother doing this video. Just saying, let's not get our panties all in a bunch over this. Yes, it's a second recall that's involved in the Insight. It doesn't mean it's a piece of garbage and all that kind of stuff. Doesn't mean Honda's in trouble. Although that's not anyone who said that. It's just they seem kind of a little freaked out over the whole idea. It's only a recall because it's involved in safety, and it's only involved in safety is because we're dealing with a stupid software problem. They could turn off things that could involve the safety of the car, like the windshield wipers could stop working, the defrosters could stop working, you know, external lights. Things like that could affect the safety of the driving of the car. As far as recalls go, this is not that big a deal. And I'm not shocked that there's a bug in the freaking software. And it's not just an Insight that's involved in this. It's various models of Hondas. And it's in their body control modules. So I'm not all that concerned about this particular one. As I said, I haven't noticed any of these problems before. But it does happen. And, you know, maybe, you know, we just need to chill out and deal with it as we go and not worry about it. So I don't think it's going to be a big stopover. You know, they're supposed to drive me back to my house, which seems kind of stupid. From what I've been told, they're allotted, 18 minutes to do it. You know, if they put my car immediately up to it, hook it up and turn it on, I can't imagine it'll take more than 30 minutes to get the software update. But then again, I don't know how the whole thing does. Some people said it took a whole day, but that had more to do with the dealer probably being too busy with the Wuhan garbage and everyone being, you know, you can't have more than, you know, 5 people here at a time and other crap like that. Oh boy, I think I forgot my freaking mask. That's the last thing in the world I need to deal with. Whatever, we'll figure it out when we get there. And that's basically it. There really isn't much to say about this. I don't think this is a big deal. So I'll let you guys know how it goes. Pulling in right now. And I don't think it's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. So all those are all freaked out over the fact that there's been 2 big recalls that affect the Insight. As far as recalls go, this one's a nothing burger in my opinion.